The challenge that I really faced during the first trimester, the first journey of pregnancy, the machines, the pressure machines, they were not there. Even if they were there, they were not all that functional.
I went to the institution and found that there is actual need for a maternal and child health intervention.
PLENG Limited acted as the implementing partner with the mandate to coordinate the full procurement and logistics process of the equipment required by Githiga Health Centre. We had modern delivery beds, digital weighing machines, infrared thermometers.
Safaricom was the first one that reached out to us, and we're really thankful to them for giving back to the community.
Much of this about Safaricom, I want to say thank you 100 times and promise you that you are doing good, you are touching lives.